This is the mistake every beginner makes with AI. They treat it like a toy instead of a money machine. Meanwhile, people who still struggle with their office printer are charging $1,000 to $5,000 for simple AI setups. Goldman Sachs says this wave could add $7 trillion to the economy. $7 trillion. So do you want a piece of that pie? Or do you want AI to eat your job for dessert? In this video, I'll give you the beginner's blueprint. 5 business models, a 90-day roadmap to your first paying client, and the exact tools to turn AI from fun experiment into real income. Let's dive in. Step number 1, follow the ground rules. Before we start stacking imaginary millions, let's talk ground rules. Rule number 1, solve pain, not boredom. Nobody's paying you to write haikus about their cat, even though I'd personally love that. But help a business cut their service time in half, and now you've got their attention and their wallet. Rule number 2, your first version will be ugly, and that's okay. Think of it as your first draft. Look, ugly that works is better than polished ideas that never leave your notebook. Rule number 3, track one result. Did you cut missed calls, saved 10 hours, or landed 50 plus new leads? Money loves numbers. Stick to these and you're instantly ahead of 90% of people experimenting with AI and never really shipping anything useful. Step number 2, map out the AI money paths. Think of the AI landscape like a diner menu. You walk in starving, see 200 different options, and suddenly you're paralyzed between pancakes and breakfast burritos. AI feels the same. There are tons of choices available, but only a few can actually fill your wallet. Here are the main 5 dishes. Number 1, automation services. These are things like chatbots, voice agents, and workflow fixes. Simple tools that make a business run smoother without needing a full IT department. Number 2, AI consulting light. Basically AI therapy sessions for small businesses. You hop on a call, explain what matters, and help them avoid shiny object syndrome. Number 3, content engine. Think YouTube, LinkedIn, or newsletters where you break down AI in plain English. People follow you because you make it feel simple and not overwhelming. Number 4, education products. Ebooks, templates, or courses that package up what you have already learned so others can skip the trial and error. Number 5, AI SaaS. Full-blown software platforms that people pay for every month. Big upside, but trickier to pull off when you're just starting. Now the smart play here is starting with AI automation. That's like your bacon and eggs. It's simple, reliable, and keeps you full. AI SaaS, on the other hand, is like trying to run a marathon without training first. Sure, some attempt it, but most people crash halfway through and regret it. Step number 3, choose your niche without overthinking. Here's the rookie mistake, trying to sell AI to everyone. That's like opening a restaurant that serves pizza, sushi, and gluten-free kale smoothies. I mean, it looks interesting, but nobody's coming back for the second ones. Instead, here's the simple recipe. Step 1, pick an industry you actually understand or at least don't hate. It could be real estate, gyms, dentists, law firms. Step number 2, go complaint hunting. Yelp reviews, Reddit rants, LinkedIn posts. These are basically free market research written in all caps. Step number 3, steal their words. If a review says, "This clinic never answers the phone," that becomes your pitch. I help clinics cut missed calls by 80% with an AI phone assistant. Now you're not just another AI person. You are the problem solver they secretly wished for while typing that Yelp review at midnight. Step number 4, month number 1. Learn just enough to be dangerous. This month is about small wins, not mastery. Think of it like learning to play 3 chords. You won't headline a concert, but you can play real songs. With AI, a few simple tools can unlock a lot of what beginners need. Week number 1. Prompts with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT. Give it rules like act like a customer support rep, answer only these 10 questions, keep replies short. This teaches you how to give AI structured instructions instead of vague ones. Week number 2. Build a niche chatbot. Use TDO or ManyChat. These tools let you drop a chatbot widget onto a website or hook it into a Facebook page so it answers messages automatically. Now, AI isn't stuck in your chat, it's live where customers actually talk to businesses. Week number 3. Automate data entry. You can use Zapier, and here is the flow. Someone fills out a form, Zapier sends that info to ChatGPT to clean or summarize it, and then the final result goes into Google Sheets. That single setup can save a business hours every single week by removing the grunt work of logging and cleaning data. Week number 4. Add voice. Use 11 Labs with a phone integration tool like Twilio or Vappy. You write a simple script, you greet, ask questions, confirm the booking, and the AI speaks it naturally. That turns your demo into a 24/7 phone receptionist that feels real to anyone listening. So here are the end of the month 1 deliverables. There are 3 demos, a chatbot, an automation, and a voice agent. They don't need to be perfect. What matters is they work and prove that you can connect the pieces. Step 5, month 2. Run 2 free pilots to prove yourself. Month 2 is practice in the wild. Forget theory, get your hands dirty. Start with 2 free pilot projects. Why free? Well, because it lowers the stakes and gets you testimonials fast. Even Alex Hormozi and Nicholas Cole pushed this idea. Free work is the fastest way to prove that you could get results. And proof is what sells. So who to approach here? You can target warm connections first, friends, family, local businesses, and then you can branch into online groups where people complain about their business headaches. Your pitch is simple, something like, I noticed you struggle with X. I'll set up a small AI solution for free. In return, I just want feedback and a testimonial if it helps. Keep pilots small and focused, like a chatbot that answers FAQs or like a workflow that logs new leads. The goal is not to be their entire IT department. The goal is to prove that you can deliver results. And by the end of the month, you will have hands-on experience, confidence, and case studies that you can show your paying clients. Step 6, month 3. Start charging with simple pricing. Month 3 is where free work ends and paid work begins. You can charge in 2 simple ways. You can either set an hourly rate for $50 to $100 an hour, or you can also set a fixed rate with a clear limit so the clients know what they're actually paying for. And the second way is you bring in help. You can hire someone for like $20 to $40 an hour, and then you charge the client 2 to 3 times of that amount while you handle the management. Once you've proven yourself with free pilots, don't just walk away. Turn them into a simple monthly plan. You handle updates, send basic reports, and make small fixes for 1 flat fee. And from there, upselling is easy. Add a voice agent, connect an extra channel like WhatsApp or Messenger, or you can even beef up their CRM with smarter data. And when it comes to contracts, keep it simple. Add what's included, how you're going to handle their data, how the success is going to be measured, and also agree to a 30-day review. Step 7. Use playbooks and prospecting to win clients. The fastest way to start isn't by reinventing the wheel. It's by using playbooks that already work. A chatbot that answers FAQs and books calls can boost qualified inquiries by 25%. A voice agent for appointments lifts booking rates to 30%. A back office summarizer that cleans and logs emails can cut admin time by 40%. This is not glamorous, but these save real time and money, and that's what clients pay for. Landing clients doesn't take a grind either, just one focused hour a day. Spot businesses with obvious problems, record a quick loom showing how you'd fix it, send it out, follow up the next day, and post a short build-up on social media. It's simple, clear, human. So do this for a week. Day 1. Pick a niche and write a one-sentence offer. Day 2. Build a demo. Day 3 and 4. Send short videos. Day 5. Install a pilot, then measure. Share wins and ask for a testimonial. Look, it's not magic, but it's the fastest way to turn effort into momentum. And with this blueprint, you don't just learn with AI, you earn with it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you got a ton of value from this. If you did, hit the like button. It really helps to push this video to more people who need to watch this. I'm Anika. I'm a writer, a creative entrepreneur, a pitch deck designer. On this channel, I talk about one-person businesses, AI, and the human potential. So if this sounds like your jam, please take your shoes off and come on in by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And ciao for now. I'll see you in the next one.